Hello and welcome to SiteJack.com. Here at SiteJack we offer ready-made, pre-designed websites to get you up and running quickly and easily. You can host these sites on one domain or on multiple domains. If you're new to the site, be sure to check out the tour by clicking the tour button at the top of the page, and then you can view this video that tells you some of the basics of using SiteJack as well as a bit about our mission here on the site. If you'd like to view some of our demo websites, click the Demo Websites button at the top of the page, and you'll be brought to this page. Now, just so you know, SiteJack is a full-service web design interface. We've got you covered from start to finish. We'll help you set up a website, design and customize that website, and then secure a domain name for hosting that site, all within minutes. Now here in the demo website section, we have pre-built websites for different niches or different purposes. So we have examples like a multi-purpose website, an accountant website, an attorney website, and these are all familiar layouts that you would expect to see for this type of site. So if we click the preview button for any of these, a new window will open with a fully featured designed site. Now this is not just a template, this is an actual website that someone has published. Up here we have a fully featured slideshow, an embedded video, and some professional text, scripted text as well. So if I click out of this and I go check out one of these other websites like this attorney website preview, we'll see that this is actually a totally different website. And it's laid out differently, it has some different text, it's a fully published website, and we have a variety of these that you can choose from. You can drop them into our website editor if you really like the layout and exact features of one specific website, but we have thousands of templates that you can build from and customize to build your own website. So ultimately, keep in mind, while we've provided a few demo websites here that you can check out, you can ultimately build any type of website. These are just a few templates and pre-built things that might make your job a little easier. So you'll also notice that down here, wherever it says the company name, right now it's SiteJack Service, you can quickly replace your company name and have that automatically update without actually manually updating the script. But we'll talk about that a little more in detail in just a few moments. To view all the editable templates, click the Launch Demo Website Editor, which will bring up our website editor with all of the templates in it, and then click on this Step 1 tab to navigate to the templates. That's the first part of creating a web page, is choosing the template that you would like to use and going from there. And here you'll see we have thousands of templates to choose from, and if there's any particular template that you would like to see a larger view of, simply hover over that template and click the preview icon button there to view a better, fuller scale resolution preview of that template that you can build from. So again, you can build a website for anything of our thousands of templates, but these website demos on the demo websites page are just pre-built ones that we have to show you some possibilities. By far the best way to experience SiteJack is to sign up for an account, because you can't download any of this awesome content without an account. So to create an account, go up to the Pricing tab, and then choose the plan that works best for you. You have a monthly option or a yearly option, and we recommend the yearly option for the best deal there. Choose Select Plan, and then as a new customer, you will have to register a domain name that you'd like to use. Now, you can register an existing domain and you'll have to transfer your name service after you sign up, or you can just register a new domain, which is usually the most common thing. So we'll choose our domain. We'll do Anthony Hayden, which is one of our recruiting sites, and we'll check the availability there and make sure that that's available. Choose the option that we'd like from the domain registration, and then click this Continue button. And once we've done that, you can check on the side here, check and make sure that everything looks good as far as your order summary, and then you can also add some additional web design services like some professional web design consultation, but honestly, you'll be able to do much of that on your own with our easy-to-use software. If everything looks good, click the Checkout button to proceed, and this will take you to the cart. It may take just a moment as it loads and checks the domain name, so don't worry if it takes just a second. This will take you to the review and checkout, and if you're a new customer, you'll need to enter your billing information like your name, your address, and then also your email address that you'd like to use for your account and a password for your SiteJack account as well. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, we'll take your payment information, so choose the method of payment that you would like to use, and you can also enter a promotional code if you like, and then click the Validate Code button to have that code immediately applied to receive your discount. Make sure you read the terms of service and then click this box and check Complete Order to go ahead and get set up. Once you've gotten that taken care of, go ahead and log into your account and then navigate to the My Account section. And this is your account homepage that has your generic information. You can update your billing information and the About You section, but to get started on your website, go ahead and click the Services button and then select My Services. And over here, select the domain name that you would like to use and click View Details. After you've done this, you have the option to log into the cPanel, which is what we would like to do to go ahead and start designing our site. So click that button. Once you've done this, there are lots of different management tools, but the tool that we're concerned about for editing our site is in the Software section, and it's this SiteJack Website Editor. Go ahead and click this to launch the editor. Now, here we have the option to create a website from scratch, which is for our more advanced users. Most of our users will want to use this Load Website feature. So in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and download a pre-built site to use and then load this into this section here. So we'll go back to SiteJack and then we'll go to Services, My Services, again choose the domain name that we would like to use, and then click on this Download section, and we will download this pre-built website by clicking this download link. You can also click this Support section and go to Downloads, and then click the SiteJack section here and download from the pre-built website link on this section as well. So click that to download it. The download will start, and then we'll navigate back to our website editing interface. And once that download is completed, choose Browse to navigate to the file in your computer file system. So I'll choose Browse and then choose File. I will go to the file where I know that is now and choose the SiteJack pre-built website, and then I'll choose Upload, and this may take a minute or two as it uploads to the interface with all its built-in features. Go ahead and click Next if you get a prompt just saying that the website will be loaded. And now we have the ability to customize our website using this pre-built website feature. To begin editing, click the Edit Website button, and we'll be taken into our interface here. And this is laid out very logically. We'll want to start with Step 1, where we can choose our template. We can browse and find one of these thousands of pre-built templates that will work best for our situation. Over here we can search by a keyword or ID, so if you're looking for something like an attorney's website, you can search for attorney, or if you're looking for business website, you could search by business. So there are a few different features over here to help you find those different types of categories. We also have this category search bar, so you could search for computer and technology templates, for example, or home and garden site templates. So it's quite easy to find templates that are applicable to the website that you would like to create and get up and going rather quickly. Also keep in mind that you can search for a template by ID number, so if you've had a template before that you like, you can reuse that template and find it quickly just by typing in the ID number for that template. Or if there is a video template, one of those pre-built websites on the SiteJack site, you can enter that template ID number, which is available here and shown as text in the preview button. And so you can bring that back up and search for that by ID number up here. Now keep in mind that our templates are completely interchangeable, and just because you find a template in one category doesn't mean it has to be used for that type of site. So if you find an attorney website template that you really like, but you own a bakery, it doesn't matter because our templates can be used for any type of website. We've just arranged them categorically to help make browsing a little bit easier. So keep in mind that you can use those for any type of site, and we also offer 3 different color options and 2 image head options accessible by clicking on the Site button preview right there. Once you find a template that you think you would like to use, you can click on that template. So for example, I'll choose this 17-348 and click the preview button to get a larger scale preview of what that site layout looks like. And if you like that site, then click the Select button to choose that template for your website design. So I've now selected that template, and this will automatically take me to step 2 as soon as things update on the server side. Now in step 2, this is where we edit our template, SEO, and logo details. And editing here is very simple. So for example, I'd like to change the name that appears at the top of the site. All I need to do is click in that box and click this pencil button to edit the text. And I want it to say Anthony Hayden because that's what this site is for, Anthony Hayden Recruiting Services. I'll click Save, and that automatically updates, and you'll notice now I can just drag and drop this wherever I would like it to appear. So I can just click and drag items on this site to edit things very quickly and easily. Also up here in the site properties, for some of our advanced users, we have different sections where you can optimize for SEO and search engine stuff. For those of you that know a little bit more about how to get up and running quickly there, we have meta tags already built in, so you can feel free to go ahead and get set up in that capacity as well. One last thing we'd like to point out in step 2 of the template editing interface is this company name option. Now you'll notice that this is automatically updated because I changed the header up here by clicking and changing this text. This company name option is important though because anytime your company is referenced in the website, it will automatically update so you don't have to manually change all of that text. So make sure that you change your company name to how you would like that to display in your site, and you can save yourself some time and effort there as well. So we'll click Save and then be sure to click Update before we make any final changes so we can move on to the next step and have all of those changes updated for us. Once we get to step 3, we are actually in the interface that shows us all of the different pages that are a part of our site. Now these templates come pre-built with all of the common pages that you need for a website setup, like your home page, About Us, Services, and several others that are common for most web design features. We can edit any of these individual pages of our site by clicking the Edit section, this little pencil icon, next to the specific page that we would like to edit. And it will take us to that specific page and give us a preview, and we can update the information there. Once I'm on this specific page, I have the ability to edit text or anything else that I like just by clicking and editing. So if I'd like to shorten this sentence, for example, and just say, "Make the right move," because I think that flows a little bit better, I can just select that text and delete any text that I don't want there. And we encourage you to perform your own test of this simply by typing over and into the existing text on the page. And then all I would do is hit this Save button at the top of the page, and once that saves, we just navigate back to our overall section 3, or step 3 rather, in the editing interface. And from this point, I can preview my entire website by clicking this preview button up here. So I'll click that to show you a quick preview. I'll scale this window down. Give it just a few minutes to load as it gets all of the pages set and prepares everything in the preview options. And now we see I have this beautiful preview of a fully featured page. I have a slideshow here that looks beautiful. I have a video that's embedded. You'll notice that my company name has already been added in here and looks very nice, saving me time and effort, and things are really set up quite nicely. And you'll notice this is no lorem ipsum font. This is pre-scripted text for marketing your business that makes it easy to set up and get going. Now, of course, you have the ability to change this for your specific needs, but if you need to get a website up and going, you can literally do this in minutes with our pre-scripted text and templates. So I think this looks fantastic. I can click through the different sections of this page and check out the different specific areas of the site, just like I would an active site. This is a full featured preview. So that's fantastic for getting an idea of that. I'll go ahead and close out the window because I think everything looks good. And then I will go ahead and publish the project by clicking this publish button up here in the corner. Again, you can publish to one domain as I've selected, or you can publish to multiple domains and save yourself some time if you have different domain names and different sites that you'd like this to appear live on. You can include those as well. So I'm going to click publish and just let the publisher run through all its process right now. And now I'm taken to my actual site at the domain name that I have registered. And you'll notice it looks just like it did in the preview. It's a fantastic looking site with this pre-scripted text to market my business effectively. And I've done this in just a matter of minutes. Now keep in mind that though this template looks fantastic and it's ready to go as is, this website is still fully customizable. So even though we have this great looking slideshow, we could change out the images that this slideshow pulls from or swap out the content elsewhere on the site, all just by going back to the content editing section of the website editor. So we can go back here or edit any specific pages, again, edit specific text. I can make this more exclamatory and more exciting sounding if I'd like to do that, and then just update it and it will show up on your live website. Keep in mind that these changes will only show up if the site is published after you make the changes. Now, for more information on customizing your website specifically, we recommend that you navigate back to SiteJack and check out the support section, and then click the knowledge base to view a few important articles pertaining to SiteJack. So we'll go to the SiteJack section here, and there are a few different articles, tutorials that we recommend you take a look at. The first is getting started with SiteJack cPanel and Webmail. This is a good introduction, and it will help you to get up and running quickly to set up accounts and start using email. The next one here is getting started with Webmail. This tutorial will show you and your staff how to use the online webmail system to access, send, and receive emails, and much, much more. And there's also this specific video, or specific tutorial rather, for how to use that with Outlook. So please take a look at these videos because they're very helpful in establishing unique content and getting you up and running with all the necessary features and all the perks that SiteJack offers. Again, we have setting up your email with Windows Live Mail, and then how to use the SiteJack website editor. We recommend that you look at this video particularly if you'd like to do some advanced customization of your site and really make that pop. Some of the specific content customization discussed in this tutorial are things like how to change slideshow images, how to change videos, images, and lots more on your website. And please, like the aforementioned tutorials, watch these before contacting support because most questions and concerns can be resolved with some of these advanced instructional tutorials. Please check these out. These are very useful, but if you have a specific question or any specific ideas or problems that you run into along the way, please feel free to open up a ticket and contact us directly, and we'll get back to you to help you with your specific issue. Again, that's how quick and easy it is to get up and running with a professional website in just minutes using the SiteJack services. Thank you for watching, and please let us know if there's any other way we can assist you.